Hi, welcome back. I'm Giovanni, chef Ristorante Caserne. The recipe of today, it's a beautiful recipe that comes from the centrum of Italy, Saltimbocca alla Romana. The ingredients are veal, butter, parma ham, sage, and a bit of flour. We start this preparation with the veal. We need some baking paper and a hammer, but I don't have it, so a butter is gonna be perfect. We need to smash it a bit for let a bit the fibers get a bit less tight, so it's gonna be softer in the mouth. We put it in between the two papers and we gently smash them. Now it's quite thin. We should have something like this. And we prepare all the fettine that we have. Now that we smash all the meat and we have it softened like this, we're gonna build it up with the ham and the sage. For this operation, we're gonna need two toothpicks. We do like this. We take the fettina, a piece of meat, put it on the cutting board, sage, parma ham. Don't take out the fat of the ham because it's gonna give the flavor to it. Now we try to stop everything with the toothpick. Two should be enough. Now we have the first one. Now we do like this with every piece of meat that we have. Now that we prepare all the meat that is ready, we're gonna need the flour, which I put it on the plate now. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna prepare this. We take our meat, from the side of the meat, we put it in the flour. We smash it a bit so we take out all the flour that is over, and we put it on the side. We do this with every piece of meat that we have. Okay, now that we have all the meat ready, I already preheat the pan, the frying pan. We're gonna put inside first a bit of oil, and a bit of butter. Pay attention to don't burn the butter. That's why I always add a bit of oil too, so then it doesn't burn so easy. Okay, when we have all the butters melted, we start to cook our meat, and we cook it only from the side of the meat. So we put it in. Don't put too many if you don't see that they don't fit, just wait a second. The salt, it's something that we have to pay attention with this preparation because the parma is gonna be already salty. So just add it a bit on the side. It's gonna smelt in the butter, in the water of the butter actually, because the salt doesn't smelt in fat. And we just moved it, and we're gonna take care that we cook it perfectly. It's gonna with the flour, it's gonna crunchy on the other side, and it's gonna be way softer. So you have also these two different of texture. Now, when we see that it's starting to be colored on the back side, it's actually ready. Don't forget the most important ingredient, that is the wine, which I forgot. This is gonna give balance the fat and the sour. And in combined with the flour that we put it also on the back of the meat, it's gonna create a nice shoot that we're gonna add to it. Gently in. At this point, they are cooked, so we take them out and we add it and we put it in the plate. Now in this case I cook it 3, but in my opinion 3 are not enough. So it should be 5 per person, that's a good amount. If you see that the wine and the butter doesn't combine together, it means that or there is not enough butter, fat, or there is not enough water. In this case, pretty sure that is the liquid. So we're gonna add a bit of wine again. And we're gonna try to make a nice sauce. Okay, at this point we have this nice sauce made from the butter and the wine. And we put it in the plate. Saltimbocca alla Romana. Buon appetito!